Imagine making an extra $1,000 a month, all from the comfort of your own home. Sounds impossible, right? Stick around. I'm going to show you how to make that dream a reality. I'm going to start off with some testimonials. I'm going to let a few people speak to you about how they are able to earn extra income from the comfort of their own home.
Hi, my name is Heather. One of the reasons why I purchased a six-figure blueprint was to learn more skills on how to use social media to promote my online business. Since purchasing the six-figure blueprint, I have been learning those skills, but also learning how to put my business on autopilot. So it's out there working for me 24/7 while I am working a full-time job, spending time with friends and family. It's out there still working for me. And all by just really working a couple hours a day, creating the correct content to my ideal customer. And also, some of the goals that I have made for myself for this year is to have financial cushion for expenses that come along, but also to help as many people as I can experience that same financial cushion with daily pay, because I just want as many people to experience that as possible.
A little bit about the Six Figure Blueprint. The Six Figure Blueprint is a program that allows you to learn how to do digital marketing, and it gives you step by step instructions. It's very simple to follow. You get a video, you watch the video, you follow the steps in the video. It's really easy to implement, so it helps you learn step by step. Another great thing about it is when you purchase the blueprint from my mentor or any of the people in our community, you get added to our community, which is full of amazingly supportive people with a lot of knowledge that will help you. Our mentor has built this community and added so much additional training, and right now we're even doing a campaign to boost our sales, and she's giving us videos every single day with step-by-step instructions of how to help our business grow.
Hey guys, Nick here, Mr. Millionaire Insight. How are you? So, a little bit about my experience in IPS. I started out my journey in online business about 8 years ago. I was a network marketer, and I came from a system where we prospected for everything. Phone calls, everything, kneecap to kneecap, and being disabled, I couldn't keep that up. I couldn't maintain that for a long period of time. I had to find something that I can do online from home, from my smartphone or my tablet, and I stumbled upon this about a month and a half ago, and it has been a godsend. I've been able to make money while spending time teaching my kids or having fun with my kids, spending time with my wife. It has been absolutely amazing, and this community that Michelle has, it's absolutely second to none. So stop thinking about it and jump in and get to make daily pay.
I bet you are looking for some extra income, right? You're thinking $1,000 a month, not a whole lot of extra than what I'm making. I could use that to cover my bills. I could use that to try to get some more in my savings account. Or maybe I want to invest some money. Maybe I don't have anything saved for retirement and I need to start doing that. Maybe I need to set up a college fund for my kids. There are lots of reasons that people are looking for just a little bit extra a month. And I was in the same boat right where you are just a few months ago. I was hoping for just a little bit extra every month so that I wasn't struggling to pay bills and I was able to get ahead just a little bit. Now, if you had an extra $1,000 a month, how would you spend it? What would be the first thing you would spend that extra $1,000 on? Let me know in the comments. Let's see if we have similar ideas on how we would spend that extra $1,000. The solution I came up with to earn a couple $1,000, even just $1,000, right? I just wanted a little extra a month. And what I came up with was digital marketing, because digital marketing is flexible. I can do it from the comfort of my own home using my cell phone or my laptop. And I'm able to fit it in the nooks and crannies of my day around my full-time job. Also, this gave me more time with my family. Believe it or not, I know that sounds crazy, but I like to work before my kids get up in the morning and after my kids go to bed at night, and then on my lunch break or other times through the day. Like I said, there's nooks and crannies, I call them, where I can get all of my income earning activities completed. So if you have no idea what digital marketing is, I'll give you a quick little review here. Digital marketing is selling products, working with products in the digital world. The digital world being online. Lots of people are online nowadays, billions of people online every day. So what you want to do is tap into that, right? Go into that digital world. You can get started with affiliate marketing. This is where you are promoting a product for someone else. You have a link, and anytime somebody purchases through your link, you get a commission. You get a percentage of that profit. It could be anywhere as low as 5% to, I've seen as high as 90%. So you want to research and find a good fit for you, a product you would like or use, and hey, it's not going to hurt to make a lot of profit on it, right? To get that big commission. The other thing you can do is freelancing. With freelancing, you are providing a service for someone else. So you could be a virtual assistant, you could create social media posts for someone, you could take care of an email marketing campaign for someone, anything that somebody else needs that you can do. So think about what you're good at, where your interests lie, and what things you could offer to somebody else. The other thing you can do is sell digital products. So a digital product is anything that is not tangible, that can be transmitted online, or transferred online. So like ebooks, e-courses, templates that you've created, worksheets that you've created, coloring pages that you've created, anything like that. You can make these on your own and then you can sell them. And if you are creating your own product, promoting it and selling it, then you get 100% profit. So you can take a combination of any of these. You could just do one of these. You could try one or two. You could try all three, whatever works for you. However, I would suggest you start small as you are figuring it out, and then the sky's the limit, my friends. You can keep growing this business as you learn more about it. It's your own business. You set your hours. You are your own boss. You can take it as high in the sky as you want it to go. You can even turn this into a full-time job if you are looking at that. I know right now you're just thinking like $1,000 extra a month just to help feel a little bit of that financial freedom right now. One thing I will warn you about, set a schedule. I know it sounds silly, but set that schedule and stick to it. That's going to help you to be successful. If you know what you need to do each day and what time you're doing it. Like I said, things happen, you can shift things around, you have that flexibility, but knowing what needs to be accomplished in a week, I like to figure out what I'm doing in a week and then break it down by the days. Okay, if I'm doing this in a week, this is what I have to accomplish each day to reach that goal. So make sure you are planning everything out and make sure it is attainable and you have time to actually accomplish that. You will feel so awesome about yourself. So which part of this plan has you excited so far? What are you thinking you would like to try out? What are you interested in? What are you good at? Share in the comments. Let's see what everybody is thinking. So what are the benefits? Well, obviously, one of the benefits is you're earning extra money, right? About $1,000 a month if that's your goal. Of course, you can earn more than that. You can earn less than that. Pick your goal. I just picked 1,000 because that was a nice even number. But you set the goal. You determine how much you would like to make. And then, wow, that financial freedom that comes with that, You feel good about yourself. You're earning that little bit of extra money so that you're not stressed at the end of the month or living paycheck to paycheck. You feel that like sense of relief lifted off your shoulders. Again, one of the benefits, I've talked about this too, the flexibility. I absolutely love the flexibility. I'm my own boss. I set my own schedule. I make it work for me. You can make it work for you and your family. You do what is best for you. And like I said, if something happens where the schedule needs to change, that's okay because you're the boss. You can flex it out. You can find what works for you. If you can't get something done that day, if there's a medical emergency, if something happens, that's okay because tomorrow is another day. You always have that flexibility. And you're gaining that time with your family. Your kids aren't wondering where you are. You are right there. You are with them, enjoying those milestones, those little daily milestones, playing games, going to their sporting events and school events. You're not missing a beat here because you are able to schedule that your business at times when they don't need you. And don't forget, there's always room to grow. Right? You're starting small. You have a small goal. But as you begin to learn more about digital marketing and really dive into it, and you begin to figure out, wow, I have this one stream of income, but wow, if I did this, I could have 2 streams of income. There are people that have, 8, 9, 10 streams of income coming in, passive income that is coming into their bank accounts every day. So honestly, the sky's the limit. It just depends how much effort and time you are willing to put into your business. If this is getting you excited and you are thinking you would like to try this and start out and try to earn some extra money, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, all those things, and go to my website. You can find it in the descriptions and in the comments. Go to my website, check that out, get signed up for my emails. I send emails out often, giving advice, giving links to other videos, and I would love to mentor you. I would love to help you get started and see you have success and see you able to spend more time with your family. If you have any questions, as I said, please don't hesitate to ask. I'll see you in the next video, everybody.